Are you tired of dealing with distracting background noise, messy backgrounds, or poor video quality during your virtual meetings or content creation? Well, you're in luck. Introducing Nvidia Broadcast AI Video GeForce, the powerful suite of AI-driven tools that takes your video and audio content to the next level. With Nvidia Broadcast, you can easily remove background noise, replace your physical background with a virtual one, optimize your camera framing, and enhance your live streaming experience. Let's explore the benefits of this amazing technology and how it can revolutionize your content creation and virtual communication. Enhanced audio quality. Nvidia Broadcast uses AI-powered noise removal algorithms to suppress background noise and unwanted sounds, resulting in clearer and more professional-sounding audio. Virtual backgrounds enables users to replace their physical backgrounds with virtual ones, without the need for a green screen or any additional hardware. This feature is particularly useful for remote work and online meetings. Auto frame adjustment. With Nvidia Broadcast, users can optimize their camera framing automatically by tracking their head and body movements, which ensures that they are always centered and in focus. Live streaming enhancements allows users to enhance their live streams with real-time effects such as face tracking and virtual green screens, providing a more professional and engaging viewing experience for their audience. Is easy to use, as a user-friendly is easy to set up, with a simple interface that allows users to access all the features in one place. Overall, Nvidia Broadcast AI Video GeForce makes content creation and consumption more accessible, engaging, and professional-looking, leveraging the power of AI and Nvidia's high-performance hardware.